Hi everyone and welcome to Improve with Soumya. This is your host Soumya Agrawal. So आज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट बिना करे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ विच आई फील इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट विच इज़ ऑरा मैक्सिंग वाई फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट वाई सो बेसिकली मैं पिछले 5 साल से ना सिविल सर्विसेज की प्रेपरेशन कर रही थी and because of I don't know what happened. Sometimes hard work is not enough, so I was not selected. And finally, I realized कि यार इतना सब कुछ मेहनत करने के बाद इतना टाइम एनर्जी एंड पेशेंस एंड हार्ड वर्क देने के बाद भी अगर यू आर नॉट गेटिंग सिलेक्टेड इन दिस देन I don't want to waste my 20s any longer. I would not say waste, magar this is not the direction I want to spend my time anymore. So, which is the reason why I quit my civil services preparation. अब प्रेपरेशन क्विट करने के बाद ना मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट लाइफ रीस्टार्ट करना तो था ही था बट उससे भी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट था टू ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ अगेन कि आई विल डू वट आई एम डूइंग एंड आई विल ace it, which is the reason why I spiraled into negativity, disappointment with myself, and in those reasons की वजह से whatever personality that I had, it was over. It was being sacrificed. So people stopped noticing me, which is not normal for me. I have always been a noticeable person in every room that I have ever entered. But after this spiral in life, people stopped noticing me. And I was like, what? ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए. Then my sister one day told me, Samati, you know what? You're missing aura. It has changed. मैं बहुत दिन तक सोचती रही कि यार what did she mean by that sentence? You're missing your aura. Something has changed. So that is when फिर मैंने गूगल पे सर्च किया what is the meaning of aura. तो गूगल ने मुझे बहुत अच्छी डेफिनेशन दी कि it is a distinct quality that seems to surround someone. एक बहुत ही विशेष गुण होता है आपका. And I was like, what? I have lost my Vishesh gun. How is it possible? So I started working on it. And it has been 4 months exactly, precisely. This happened in February and now it's July. So fast forward to मतलब बीच में थोड़ा बहुत time छोड़ दो तो it has been 4 months and I have worked on this thing for 4 months and I can finally say that I have a few tips that have helped me to max my aura. I call it the aura maxing 10 on 10 tips which have helped me and I hope they help you if you are someone who is struggling just like I am. All right, so now giving you the context why I am able to talk about what I am able to talk about. थोड़ा सा sentence गलत हो गया. Why I am able to talk about what I am about to talk. So let's get into it. पहली चीज मैंने ये करी कि आई स्टॉप टॉकिंग अबाउट माई प्लान्स एंड आई स्टार्टेड टू फाइंड वेज जिनमें मैं रिजल्ट्स को बेहतर तरीके से शो कर पाऊँ. आई स्टॉप्ड टॉकिंग कि मेरा नेक्स्ट प्लान क्या है, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी माई प्रोसेस. आई जस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन प्रेजेंटिंग द रिजल्ट टू द पीपल. आई एम नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द रिजल्ट. मैं अपनी प्रोसेस को अपने प्लान को कवर अप कर रही हूँ. आई एम मूविंग ऑन इट बट आई एम जस्ट फोकसिंग कि मुझे लोगों को सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसका रिजल्ट बताना है. मुझे अपनी प्लान और प्रोग्रेस के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं देना है. सो दिस helped me to gain control over myself and stop worrying about others' opinion. लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचने वाले हैं because it is not going to matter. Second, I started using my body language. मुझे हर वक्त yes, no, अरे यार ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I can easily nod instead of saying yes all the time. I can easily do like this. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? I forgot the word. But yes, I can do this instead of saying no all the time. I can simply roll my eyes to show my disapproval. It can sometimes be rude, but most of the time it shows that you are stern, you are firm on what you are saying, and you're not going to change your decision regarding it. So इसको थोड़ा सा social context के according use करना चाहिए. But yes, The main thing is use your body language as much as you are using your language. उसके बाद फिर I stopped talking about myself all the time. If I'm talking about myself all the time, तो पहली बात तो मैं overshare बहुत जल्दी करती हूँ. I will talk about my fears, my likes, my dislikes, which later on makes me a very vulnerable person in social situations. So I don't want to be vulnerable. मैं अपना aura 7,000 करना चाहती हूँ -700 में. So I stopped talking about myself and I started listening more to what people have. When I'm listening more, I come up with better replies, I come up with better ideas, and मुझे ये भी डर नहीं होता है, oh my god, someone is going to poach my ideas, someone is going to have opinions about me, they're going to judge me so bad, and I am also not oversharing. मुझे oversharing से डर नहीं लगता है, but I feel like I'm giving too much of power away when I overshare. Then I started to focus on my speech. I want to speak clearly and I want to speak deliberately. तो पहली बात तो ये कि मैं जो भी बोल रही हूँ वो बहुत क्लियरली आपके पास मैसेज जाना चाहिए. और दूसरी चीज़ मैं तभी बोल रही हूँ जब मेरे पास एक अच्छा मैसेज, इम्पॉर्टेंट मैसेज किसी को देने के लिए है. सो आई स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग क्लियरली एंड डेलिबरेटली. आई थिंक आई गिवन यू 4 points. The fifth point is I started focusing on my dressing again. I started dressing in a very clean, confident, and something that reflects who I am as a person. Something that I can say that this is my style. So I started dressing up for who I am and not just for the trends. All right. जब मैं सिविल सर्विसेज की प्रेपरेशन कर रही थी, सो आई वॉज मोस्टली इन माई रूम इन माई लोअर टी शर्ट एंड आई वॉज बेड रॉटिंग, टेबल रॉटिंग, वट एवर. तो मतलब मुझ पे क्या अच्छा लगता है मैं ये भी भूल चुकी थी. देन आई स्टार्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद क्लोथ्स एंड आई फाउंड कि कुछ कलर्स हैं जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राइट एंड गॉर्जियस बनाते हैं एंड कुछ कलर्स हैं जो मुझे बहुत डल बनाते हैं. सो आई स्टार्टेड focusing on what is looking good on me and what reflects my style the most. So I started dressing up in a very clean and confident style. Then I started being comfortable with silence. This matters a lot. This matters a lot more than you think right now. Because जब आप silence से comfortable हो जाते हो ना, you are not constantly thinking, oh my god, I have to say something. And when you think, oh my god, I have to say something, you are saying things that don't matter. All right. Which brings me back to my point number 5 कि you have to speak in a very clear and deliberate manner कि जहाँ पे required है वहीं पर बोलना है. So when you are comfortable with silence, you are comfortable with it. You sit there कि all right, I do not have to say anything. मुझे ऐसे ही कुछ भी बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है just to break the silence. I can be sitting here and still be comfortable with it. Next, I focused on my handshake. It must be very firm, a very firm handshake. Like this, not like this, not like this, but like this. A very firm handshake. It is such a confident posture, I would say. When you are having a firm handshake with someone, it speaks directly to that person. That I am a powerful person in my own state. And I'm not scared. Bro, I'm really not scared. So having a very firm handshake. Next one would be I started focusing on my time. It is my time. I need to use it precisely and accurately for my own betterment. I stopped being available all the time and I started saying no to plans and people which were like a hindrance in my path. कि अगर if I don't have the time I will not get out of my comfort zone just to be there. Now, there are situations where I have to be there, but those are the be there, very important situations. But if it is not something like that, if it is something that's making me uncomfortable, I would comfortably say no to it. I started respecting my own time and I stopped being available to people and their problems all the time. I have to get back into my own zone to be there for myself, to focus on what I am doing because after quitting the exam, restarting the life from scratch was a big thing for me. Correct. Then we have covered 8 points. Now we're on the ninth point. मेरा point भूल गया. Yes. You smile with your mouth closed. Why this matters? Because you will see it instantly. That's how I look when I smile with my mouth closed. And that's how I look when I smile with my, but these teeth are out. Okay? I know second one I'm looking very cute, but in the first one, I look very confident. I look like I have my energy to myself. So, Aura 7000. Now, the person will speak to me very mindfully when I'm talking to them like this. No extras, only valuables, only good. So, sometimes smile with your mouth closed when you feel like you are in a vulnerable state and you want to have your power back to your side. I would say that these 10 points have not just helped me to maximize my aura, but they have indirectly helped me to regain my lost confidence. After my preparation, after 5 years of spending time in that preparation zone, I was not in the zone कि अब मैं जाकर socially interact कैसे करूँगी. Even this making this video feels like a felt like a task to me. आज मैंने 3-4 महीनों के बाद हिम्मत करके I picked up the phone to record a long form video for my YouTube channel, and it took a lot of strength from my side, but I was able to muster up that strength because I worked on myself for the past 3 or 4 months. These 10 points or habits or tips have helped me a lot, and I hope that they will help you too. And if you have made it so far to this video, I would say this is not my best, but I will keep improving. I will do better. Thank you so much for watching, and keep improving with Soumya. Bye bye. Take care.